doing? Welcome to my first YouTuber class. Well, my name is Ruben Munoz. I am an English teacher, and today I'm going to help you out with some of the material for our classes. Bien, bienvenidos. Voy a utilizar un poquito de español. En este momento voy a hacer un pequeño tutorial de lo que es la unidad 2 y voy a estar después usando el inglés para que ustedes lo cojan y aprendan a educar su oído en el inglés. Cuando este video lo estén viendo pueden ponerle CC, que es Closed Caption, y pueden ver las palabras en inglés. Entonces, voy a comenzar. Well, good morning, and this is unit number 2 of the top-notch book. This is to help my students of first semester, and the first class is how to use subject pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive nouns. Well, we have to understand that we have subject pronouns that are the ones that usually begin the sentence, and they are I am Ruben Munoz. You are my student, or you are my students. It can be used for singular or for plural. Now, he refers to a man. I say, he is my father. She refers to a woman. She is Maria. It can be used for animals, subjects, and many other things. For example, love. Love is good. It is good. We refers to I and me and includes me. We are in our first class. They refer to other people, my father, my mother, my friend, the students, but it also refers to objects or things. For example, I say, my classes are very nice. They are in the morning. They replaces classes. So we also have possessive adjectives, which are my name, my mother, my house, my friends, your, his. I say, his name is Andres. Her job is nice. Its refers to things. And our refers to us. For example, I say, our class is from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now, there is the possessive of they. When I say, their names are Andres and Pedro. They are Andres and Pedro, their names are. Now, this is the most tricky one because it's a little difficult to understand. This apostrophe and the S. And sometimes the apostrophe is after the S. And that is in Spanish como decir la de, el de, los de, las de. Means possession. Ahí hay una posesión. I'm going to give you some examples to make it easy. Examples. I am Ruben. I'm using this. My name is Ruben. I'm using this. Ruben's videos are in YouTube. Ruben videos. Los de están in YouTube. More examples. My father's boss. You see the apostrophe after the S? Okay. Name is Andres. That is to say, in other form, students usually use this form. The name of the boss of my father is Andres. Well, in English we don't use very much of the. We use this structure, which is my father's boss name is Andres. El nombre del jefe de mi papá es Andres. Good. Now we also have questions, and we make the questions with question, for example, what's your mother's name? This is verb to be, is. So when I made the question, what's your mother's name? You have different options of answering this question. You can say, it's Angelica. It is this, because it refers to the name. So you can say, it's Angelica or Angelica. You can say, she is Angelica. I'm using this. Or I say, her name's, and this is the verb to be, her name's Angelica, meaning that I'm using this possessive. So, or I can use the other form that I say, my mother's name is Angelica. Okay? Another example. What are your parents' job? Remember that parents are father and mother, so they are plural, and I use the apostrophe after the S. What are your parents' job? You have different answers too. They are cooks. Or dad is a teacher and mom is a housewife. Or I can say dad's job is teacher. One more example. If I made the question, where's Carlos' mother from? This S, remember, is verb to be. Where's Carlos' mother from? And this is this. Carlos finishes in S, so the apostrophe is after the S. Now, the answers can be, she is from El Banco Magdalena, or Carlos' mother's from El Banco Magdalena. Well, I hope you like this little tutorial, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you very much. Have a good day.